All right, let's go over one more problem that you might run into, and we'll do the whole process. We'll complete the square, and then we'll solve it. And then you might need some more practice problems, but I have a worksheet you can come see me for, or I can put it on my Google Classroom. And then if you understand this and how to solve it, you can go ahead and take quiz 3.5.4 on Apex. So if we want to solve by completing the square, we want to see if this right here, is this a perfect square trinomial? And the test is take half the middle term, 14, divided by 2 is 7, and then 7 squared is 49. That's the number that you would want right here. Okay, well that's not a 49, so it's not a perfect square as it is. So what I would do is I'd go x squared minus 14x plus blank equals, and what I would need to do is move this 40 over. So actually, since it's a plus 40, I should subtract 40 from both sides. And that becomes a minus 45. All right, so then I'm going to complete the square, make it a perfect square, which we already figured out that half of 14 was 7, and 7 squared is 49. So we're going to add that to both sides. And that gives me over here, when I rewrite this as a perfect square, remember the numbers that go in as the factors are the square root of that, which is x, the square root of that, which is 7, and then the sign here is what you have to look for. So it's going to be my x minus 7 squared equals 49 plus negative 45 is 4. Right, and now we just solve the problem from there by taking the square root of each side. To undo something that's squared, you take the square root of each side. So I get x minus 7 equals 2, or x minus 7 equals negative 2. So add 7 to both sides. X equals 9, or no, x does not equal negative 9. A lot of students will think that, but no, be careful here. So add 7 to both sides over here, and you get x equals 5. So your solution to this quadratic equation is x equals 9 or x equals 5. And you solved by using the process of completing the square. So I've got an assignment on paper you can do to practice some of these, and then when you're ready, you can take the quiz. That would be quiz 3.5.4, and that would be this whole process now of completing the square, writing an equation that you can use, that you can solve, that's a perfect square equation, square root each side, and get your solutions that way. All right, good luck. Come see me if you need any help.